Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Is your Alexa suddenly not responding? No lights, no voice, nothing? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 proven fixes that actually work to get your Alexa back on track in minutes. Let's fix it. What's the problem? Sometimes Alexa devices like Echo Dot or Echo Show stop responding due to internet issues, software glitches, microphone problems, power issues. But the good news? Most of these are super easy to fix. Fix1. Check your internet connection. First, check your Wi-Fi. Make sure your internet is working. Restart your router. Move Alexa closer to the router. Alexa needs a stable connection to respond properly. Fix 2. Restart your Alexa device. Sometimes, a simple restart does the magic. Unplug your Alexa device. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in. This clears temporary bugs and refreshes the system. Fix 3. Check microphone settings. Make sure the microphone isn't muted. Look for a red light ring. Press the mic button to unmute. If Alexa can't hear you, it obviously won't respond. Fix 4. Update via Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your phone, Amazon Alexa app, go to Devices. Select your Echo device. Check for software updates. Keeping your device updated fixes many hidden bugs. Fix 5. Reset Alexa device. Still not working? Time for a reset. Press and hold the action button for 20 seconds. Wait until the light ring turns orange. Set it up again. This is the most powerful fix. Conclusion. That's it. These 5 fixes solve almost all Alexa issues. If this helped you, like, comment your issue, subscribe for more tech fixes.